Truck evolution, 1900 to 2026. Boxy wooden frame, thin wheels, black smoke chimney. First mass-produced truck, flatbed style, black paint. Rounded edges, chrome grills, 1930s American style. Green camouflage, rugged army transport. Chevrolet and Dodge pickups, pastel colors, white wall tires. Larger semi-trucks, chrome front, long nose designs. Square cabins, flat front European trucks. Rounded edges, colorful liveries, more highway trucks. Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, Scania highway trucks. Ford F-150, Toyota Helix, Ram pickups dominate. Semi-trucks with digital dashboards, Tesla Cybertruck teased. Like, share, subscribe.